because we need to have as much power for this hour. This is the Power Hour with Knot Nation. Welcome to our nature walk. Hosted by who? By me, but more importantly, Mother Nature. And we were thinking about elements, right? Elements, rock, wind, water, and air. And they're gonna be earth. Earth, wind, water, and air. And this is gonna be the themes. And thankfully we have all that here in Southern Ontario, so we can just explore home for now. So yeah, get the battery. This is Hamilton. What do you think about Hamilton? Hamilton brings back many memories, many experiences. These houses are so old, they're Victorian houses, and to me they have so much character. What kind of lives have lived here hundreds of years ago?
Well, survival is for survival, you know. In this time, especially going through so much struggle. You know, when you struggle to survive. So we're always in a struggle. Well, you see, black people only have to make up their mind who them is, you know. And the problem is all over because we lack of unity. We get pressure on oppression, see? So, if I and I know who, as you would call, black people, know I myself as Rasta, then, you know, that's a different thing. That is altogether what it really is. And what he is, then no man can fight what he is. Because, you know, we are dealing with God. Because in that team, there's a struggle there. That is a real struggle. And plenty of people try to skip the struggle, you know, and try to make life much easier. Someplace, sometime, somehow, somewhere. Easier, you know. But easier don't really last your time because the struggle is to make our people know say Christ upon earth and the name Rastafari, and all of our people now must know the truth and deal with it. Because if we don't deal with it, you know, it's judgment time, and there's some who God really picked, that some must survive. So we are called for the survivors them now. You know, because it's not a joke. Those who survive, most of them have to survive because it is an inborn thing in them. They know that, so we want to get it now because, you know, we can't wait much longer.
You know what really sucks? People with fear of COVID-19. It's a crazy world that we live in.
The nation!